Without a doubt, the number one way on the smart money tactics list to become a wealthy affiliate is... Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money Automated. Today we're going to go over the top 5 smart money tactics to become a wealthy affiliate when trying to make money online. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazingly lucrative concepts I've ever seen, which most don't even follow. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get access to the newest content as it comes out, along with prioritization to your comments below. So let's jump in and get started right now. Number 5, affiliate marketing. If you've ever dabbled in attempting to be a wealthy affiliate, most start with the basics of the affiliate marketing approach. Whether you have a blog, a website, or are still dreaming of starting, it all starts with that first step. Affiliate marketing is where you partner with other vendors, such as businesses or brands, to where you send them traffic by mentioning them in your posts and your own products, and you use a unique code for your tracking. If a potential lead buys a product using your unique link, you'll get a commission payout as a percentage of what the sales price could have been. So when it comes to making money online, digital stores such as ClickBank and Digistore24 are the first places to start. Some vendors commission even pay over 75%. This means that if you sell a $1,000 product, you'd be making $750 for just one sale. So let's do the math really quick. If you only landed one sale per week at $750 each, 750 times 52 weeks in a year comes to $39,000, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine if you sold 2 or 7 a week, 1 a day. 1 times 365 times 750 is an exponential amount of money, and it all starts with being consistent and getting out there. Number 4, YouTube and Adsense. One of the very exciting smart money tactics is to begin producing videos online, and most specifically with YouTube. YouTube is one of the leading video platforms in the world, and if you think about it, if you did a Google search right now on just about anything, you'll notice that there is no longer specific links. Instead, within the first 5 links, there's usually a list of suggested videos related to your search. Why? Well, it's simple. Because video can be consumed over 20 times faster than reading. Since they're both owned by the same company, Google and YouTube, they're more inclined to push their own stuff because it increases their own revenues. So why not jump into the same pool and get a portion of that pie? What this means for you is you'll get free publicity by helping others while also getting paid. Adsense, which is part of YouTube's partnership program, is awarded after your account hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Being a partner means that you'll get to earn money on the videos from YouTube just by providing helpful wording to others. The best part? You can use this money to seed your other initiatives to become a wealthy affiliate. So for example, let's say you make $50 per month on YouTube. If you use smart money tactics and invest that money into something like paid ads where you sell one course for $200 as an affiliate, you just made $150 that month from direct response marketing by being an affiliate, and that's all thanks to YouTube paying for it. There's no money out of your own pocket, and you're still able to increase the amount of money that ends up in your pocket. Number 3, consulting. A lucrative way to make money online is by being a consultant for someone else. If you're a subject matter expert in any field, there are people that are seeking your expertise. Not only can you make money online by guiding people to better avenues, but you can also become a wealthy affiliate by partnering with companies that you plug as part of your service. So let's say, for example, you become a consultant for a health company that needs help with their branding. As you coach them through to their success, the marketing and sales tools that you recommend to them can also be a commission sent to you. For example, maybe they need a website. Become an affiliate of GoDaddy and HostGator to get a commission of their domain person and the monthly hosting subscriptions. So not only are you getting paid to help them, but you're also getting a stipend or an additional percentage off of money that they're going to spend anyway because you're partnering with vendors to help them. The options are literally endless. The only limitation is your mind. Number 2, printing on demand, or also known as print on demand. Becoming a wealthy affiliate is all about branding. Back in the day, you had to mass buy marketing materials and spam it out to everyone. Now though, thanks to the internet, you have the ability to do whatever you want without having to buy in bulk. Your own branded designer can be put on clothing, books, mugs, and more to create consistent and established brand for your business. It's similar to drop shipping, where you're connecting the buyer to the item. Nothing comes out of your own pocket because the buyer supplies the monies needed to process the merchandise, and you keep the remainder of the money after it goes from your own store as your own profit. Now before we jump into number 1, if you found this video helpful, make sure to click that like button as it really helps out the channel for the YouTube algorithm, and also make sure to subscribe for even more great content. The number 1 and most important out of all the smart money tactics is the snowball effect. When most get into the online world to start their entrepreneurial careers, they are usually most motivated by the millionaire dream, buying that Lamborghini, buying a yacht, a top floor loft with an ocean view, and so on. However, if you think about filling up a sink with water, it only works if the drain plug is in. If it's not, the water that goes into the sink immediately goes down the tubes. It's the exact same thing with your hard-earned money online and really in life. If you've created a revenue stream online, if you're immediately turning around and spending it, you're never going to compound your success to become a wealthy affiliate. It is critical when you are first starting out to reinvest that money back into your business. Similar to the YouTube example before, reinvest your money to increase traffic or save time. For example, sticking with creating YouTube videos, let's say you make $50 per month and you put that money into ads to drive traffic so you can get $150 net profit off of your sales. Now you take that extra $150 and reinvest it back into continuing to drive traffic or to save yourself time. So let's say it takes you 2 hours to do the editing on a video and you release 3 videos per week. Then reinvest the profits that we just went over to pay someone else to do the video editing for you. That just freed up 6 hours of your work week to create more content, build your brand, and research the next thing you're going to do. If you're interested in discovering more about how to build a business to make money online in the most automated way possible, then be sure to check out the first link in the description to get instant access to key tips that'll help you jumpstart your journey. Now make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you make money online and more. Now, make sure to click on this next video to continue to learn more great money online tips, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, here's to your success.